Alright y'all, I'm back with my 2014 Ram Promaster. Again, I'm having multiple transmission, or what I believe are transmission related issues. If you saw my other video about my truck, it's jumping into neutral on the highway whenever if you touch the brakes or something, and the RPMs drop way off and it jumps into neutral. It also has a problem with what sounds like the transmission whining is the best way I can describe it. It's pretty good whining noise coming from the front left wheel well area. So I'm gonna stick the phone out the window and let you listen to that real quick. When you put the truck, when it's moving, when you're in gear, if you shift it to neutral, the noise goes away. Shift it back into drive, the noise comes back. I will try and recreate that for you as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and shift it into neutral here real quick. And as you can see, the noise goes away. I'm going to go ahead and shift it back into drive. Did have this truck into the dealer. It was there for 10 days. It's actually been in twice that I've requested that they try and address this issue that I'm having with this noise and with the transmission jumping into neutral. They did replace a part trying to fix the transmission jumping into neutral, the transmission control module. That did not work. In fact, it's got worse. The noise that I just showed you outside by the wheel well, they had a mechanic, the same mechanic looked at it and said he was not able to recreate the noise. I don't know how he couldn't recreate it. It's very prominent. It's there every single day, every time you drive the truck. It's very loud. In fact, it's getting loud enough now you can hear it over the radio when the radio's at low volume. So anyway, if anybody has any ideas, if you've had this problem, if you had it fixed, if you have any ideas as to what's causing this problem, I would love to know. Also, just recently here, in the last month or so, I've had an issue where it started when I start the truck. Sometimes when I put it in reverse, I can hear the transmission it sounds like it's trying to engage it. It kind of grinds a little bit, but it doesn't engage. If you shift back to neutral and shift it back into reverse, then it will engage. So again, that may be a third issue, or it may be related to this. I don't know, but you can see how many miles I have on my truck. The noise that I just played for you out by the front tire has been going on for, I'm sure at least the last 30 or 40,000 miles. It's just been getting worse and worse. Unfortunately, I am in expediting delivery business and put on 8,000 to 10,000 miles a month on my truck, and just didn't get it in time to get it caught under warranty, although I don't know if they would have fixed it or if they would have been able to diagnose it at that time anyway. So anyway, anybody that can help, I would appreciate it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please post them below and I will try and answer if I can. Thank you.